Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your current trade license number, PAN, Aadhaar-linked mobile, and GSTN if required. Next, gather scanned documents, ID, address proof, application form, and clear shop photos, sized under 2 MB. Then open the Assam Municipal or e-governance portal and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one now with the same Aadhaar-linked mobile. Once logged in, choose Trade License Renewal to begin the online form. You proceed to fill the renewal form carefully. Enter license number, business address, owner details, and the correct trade category. Make sure spellings match submitted ID. Discrepancies cause delays. Upload each document to its corresponding field using allowed file types and sizes. Inspect previews before submission. Then select the renewal duration, and the portal will show the fee including any late penalty. Confirm totals and save a draft if needed. When everything is correct, submit the application for payment. You now make the payment using net banking, UPI, or the available gateway. Retain the transaction ID and immediately download the receipt PDF. Once paid, monitor my applications for status updates and download the renewed trade license PDF when issued. If the application is rejected or details don't match, use the portal's grievance or support option promptly. Attach receipts and screenshots and reference your application ID. Finally, print or store the license on your device and inform any staff who need the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.